Hey class, Mr. Lee here. I'm going to be making short videos throughout this year, highlighting all the different features of this Desmos graphing calculator app. So you are welcome to use your own calculator anytime as just a general tech resource. But to keep things universal, I'm choosing to use Desmos um, to teach you all the features that we'll be using throughout the year. So daily, as you work and as you study, I recommend having this app open in another tab, and you can just be ready to use it whenever you need. I imagine most of you will find this super useful for calculations in general, but really when we get into the whole graphing portion and topics of the year, it'll serve as a great visual for what math is actually going on behind the scenes. So anyways, here we go. Our first feature, super simple. We're just going to convert between fractions and decimals. We're going to start simple. Let's do 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2, also known as 1/2. This is the fraction version, and if you press equals, it'll automatically show you the decimal version. This button that shows up on the left, if you click it, it'll then convert your answer between decimals and fractions, whatever you need. Okay, and it goes both ways. Let's say I type in the 0.5, right, which we know is 1/2. I can click the fraction button on the left. It spits back out the fraction version. Okay, we're just gonna do one more example. You guys will get the idea. Let's do 1/3, because this is an example of a repeating decimal where the threes will actually be repeating forever and ever and ever. The program cuts it off at a certain point because it just can't keep typing, but the understanding is the 3 goes on forever. So again, I can click this fraction symbol. It'll switch between the 0.3 repeating and 1/3. And then more interesting is when you actually type in the repeating decimal. Right now, it's only registering like 5 threes. If I click the fraction symbol, it's not going to be that 1/3 yet because I have to actually exaggerate the threes enough. If you guys see, the symbol goes away because I haven't exaggerated enough. If I keep typing in threes, now the computer is actually registering. I have typed enough threes to acknowledge that it's repeating. Now I will press it, and the 1/3 will actually appear. Okay, so there you go.